All right, today we're taking a quick look at some of my favorite unofficial DJI Osmo Pocket accessories. Let's start by taking a look at the case that comes with the Pocket. It's a really cool case. Form factor is perfect. Obviously, it was designed by DJI. It leaves openings for all the available ports in terms of the adapter, regardless of which way you put it on. Also, the exposed USB-C port at the bottom allows you to charge it without taking it out of the case. It's great. The problem is, sometimes I have too much going on in my pocket, so I need to get it out, and this holster from Nite allows me to put it on my hip. It fits perfectly. It's got an opening at the bottom that's exposed, perfect for charging without having to take it out of the holster. So it's great. This is the Kenu USB-C mini compact tripod. This thing's built awesome. It's made of metal. It's got a little USB-C style dongle on the top, which allows you to basically just plug it into the bottom of the pocket and stand it upright. Perfect for panoramas and time lapses. This is the Shure MV88 microphone. It's currently what I'm recording audio on. It's one of my favorite iPhone accessories. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on Android because it is lightning specific, but it's great for capturing audio. This is what it sounds like, and the form factor is tiny, just like the Pocket, which is why I like it, and which is why it goes along with me wherever my Pocket goes. Now, other accessories that you need for the Pocket is power. So the Osmo Pocket doesn't have an external battery. It's got a built-in battery, so you're going to need to charge it pretty frequently, and you can also operate it while charging it. So this comes in handy. This is the Belkin USB power bank. This is the IKEA USB-C cable. I didn't know IKEA sold cables, but this one was about 5 feet long and only $5, so I had to pick it up, and this will be perfect for charging my Pocket on the go. This is the GoPro 3-in-1 mount, and this will allow you to get the Osmo Pocket away from your body. So the frame of view is pretty narrow in terms of holding it out, but this selfie stick GoPro mount will allow you to extend the Osmo out further and capture a wider field of view. On the end of it, I have just a standard microphone clip because I haven't been able to get my hands on the official accessory mount for DJI, but this works just fine. These are basically AirPods. Any Bluetooth speaker will work. The only reason I carry these is because the Pocket does not have any built-in speakers. So I like to review the audio, make sure everything sounds good before it goes out to the web. This is a FileHub Plus and a Samsung SSD. So two separate things, but I paired them together. Basically, this is a travel router. So it creates a wireless sort of hotspot that allows you to transfer footage. It's also got an SD card slot on the side to back up any footage in case you go crazy with the Pocket and shoot too much that you need to back it up and don't have a big enough card. This comes in super handy. It also doubles as a power bank, so that's cool too. If you want to get your Osmo Pocket away from your phone, so it's not physically attached, like next to it, then this is a lightning extension cable. This one works fine. It's short. You probably want a longer one, such as this cable here, which is a USB-C to lightning cable. Now this will plug into the bottom of the Osmo Pocket and allow you like 5 feet of range in terms of controlling it remotely. So this cable is handy, super handy as well. These are some of my favorite accessories that I found that work great with the Osmo Pocket so far. If that was helpful, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.